How to add bio on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add bio on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now click on your profile here. Click this one, see your profile, and then just click this one, edit profile, and go down and you will see bio here. Just click add and then just type here anything you want, like hello, and then just click save. And as you see, the bio has been added, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.